Lin, ang ipapadala mo sa Pinas o ang gagamitin mo? Ha? Ang ipapadala mo sa Pinas o ang gagamitin mo? Because me, I want to buy something I will send in the Philippines.
Magkano naman ito?
Toilet soap. This is the toilet soap.
Magkano? Toilet soap mo.
We must see for something that we can...
Ito yung may toothpaste.
yeah. First, we got toothpaste. Yeah. Come on. Bring some.
Mano kanina?
Wait a minute. I think we must buy the Crest Lean. Crest is much better than Colgate, I think. Kasi itong Crest International toothpaste siya. Also the Colgate, but I think this cavity protection mas maganda siya. 125 ml. And oh, mas malaki to, 125 ml.
Oh, ito
100 ml only.
okay.
So I think this is 5 reals. So I think I must buy 4 for this one. 4 pieces for 20 reals. Or I mean it's 23 reals. Yan, 4 pieces. Itong aqua maganda rin to, Lin. Nasubukan ko na tong aqua na to. Mint siya, mint.
Tama na yun.
This is toothpaste for the kids. For my daughter's toothpaste. How much is this? Lin, naiihi ako. Naiihi ako. Yes. I want to go back. Oh, this is a perfume tap. Ano to? Mga polvo. 5 reals lang po yung mga polvo. 5 reals. Kuha ko ng 5 reals lang po siya. Kuha ko ng tig-isang piraso. Perfume tap. Naiihi ako. Cocoa butter. I think it's good. Yan, mga perfumes. Wow! Naiihi talaga ako. Where is the bathroom? No, that is not.
Gagamitin ko lang to.
RDL.
Ay, ganito ba yung pinili na ako mula?
Yes, ganyan nga.